My first duty is to faithfully uphold the Constitution of Wyoming and the U.S. Constitution, Wyoming statutes, and binding court decisions regardless of political pressure. Through my position as county attorney, the following 5 issues are nonpartisan, directly tied to the statutory responsibilities of the office, and distinguish the role of a county attorney from that of a legislature or policymaker. 1 is to protect victims. 2, hold criminals accountable. 3, support law enforcement. 4, defend the rule of law. 5, provide honest, independent legal advice to the county government. I would address each of these issues as follows. 1, protecting victims. Communication and collaboration is needed to protect victims. Meeting regularly with law enforcement, victim advocates, healthcare providers, schools, and social services, ensuring that victims understand the criminal justice process, returning calls, and keeping victims informed, sends a message that victims deserve to be heard, informed, and treated with dignity throughout the process. 2, holding criminals accountable. Consistent communication with law enforcement and the courts is needed to do so. Working closely with officers during investigation, ensuring prosecutors and investigators are working towards the same goal, making timely charging decisions, send the message that good communications lead to stronger investigations and better prosecutions. 3, supporting law enforcement. Building relationships with law enforcement before problems arise. Meeting regularly with every police department, highway patrol, and the sheriff's office. Providing legal guidance and training, including once new laws are enacted in July, informing them of those laws. Encouraging open discussions about difficult cases with all investigations. The best prosecutions begins with teamwork. 4, defending the rule of law. Communicate the law, not politics. Explain legal decisions to county officials and, when appropriate, to the public. Give honest legal advice even when it's unpopular. Be transparent about why decisions are being made and the way they are made. People may not always agree with the law, but they deserve to understand it and be educated about it, and that is part of my job. 5, provide honest legal advice to county government. Accessibility and trust. Be available to elected officials and department heads. Help them avoid legal problems before they occur. Foster cooperation among each county office. The best legal problem is one that never happens. No county attorney can reduce crime, protect victims, or support law enforcement alone. Success depends on communication between prosecutors, law enforcement, victims, county officials, schools, healthcare providers, treatment programs, and the community. When people communicate, cases are stronger, victims are better protected, problems are identified earlier, and county government works more effectively.